My name is Dohn. I'm a regional sales manager for FasTest. For over 40 years, FasTest has been helping manufacturers around the world improve their leak testing processes with our premium offering of quick connection solutions. Today, we're highlighting our offering and innovations for automotive and electric vehicle industries. Our solutions also support the HVAC, medical device, aerospace, and compressed gas industries. And regardless of the market, our solutions are tailored for improving your safety, durability, and leak-free connections that will help you save time and reduce your risk. Over the years, FasTest has developed an expertise and a lot of experience connecting to round ports, threaded connections, and tubes. And we've leveraged that foundation to build into our EHL line of leak test connectors tailored specifically for the non-circular ports commonly found on electric vehicle battery packs and drive units. Following that success, it led our EV customers down a new challenge, electrical testing, and our development and launch of our line of electrical test connectors and wiring harnesses designed specifically for high power, high voltage, high current applications, low voltage, communication and signaling, and ground verification testing, enabling fast, reliable connections in the demanding environments of today's EV production. Here at the show, we're excited to preview our latest innovation, mating and matching plates for palletized process automation. These plates combine our fluid, electrical, and intelligent connection verification technologies into one platform, enabling a smaller footprint, fewer components, and better integration into high-volume production. At FasTest, our mission is to provide you with safer, faster, reliable connections. And if you're interested in learning more about how our solutions can fit into your production line, visit us at fasttestinc.com. Thank you.